Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. This beautiful two-story house is located in the serene community of White Water Meadows in St. Catherine. The house is approximately 2,600 square feet and is situated on a fruited 6,000 square feet lot. On the ground floor, it features two bedrooms, two bathrooms, a powder room, pantry, living room, dining room, porch, and a covered two-vehicle carport. The upper floor has an incomplete master bedroom suite with bathroom and a gym. The house is conveniently located near churches, schools, shopping, and social amenities. Guys, let's take a look at this house. And please, watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 34 million or US $220.9 thousand. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching guys.